Today, we review the best accordions for beginners that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Ammoon Concertina Accordion. What I appreciate most about the Ammoon Concertina accordion is its excellent quality. You can choose from different colors and variations, with the red being an interesting choice for how it turns heads.
Number 2.
Directly Cheap Full-Size Diatonic Accordion. This directly cheap full-size accordion by Bonetti is a great purchase for a beginner accordion as well, coming with the compact and lightweight properties. Since it's lightweight, it helps make it easier to play for those who aren't used to the heavier set of instruments.
Number 3.
Hohner Panther 3100 GB Diatonic Accordion. The Hohner Panther 3100 GB Diatonic accordion is the diatonic type, which is suitable for beginners. However, it's not just the design and price that gets you, it's the package made for beginners that makes it a good choice.
Number 4.
Bonetti Concertina Accordion. The Bonetti Concertina is yet another excellent choice for an accordion because of its simplicity. It's a 30-key accordion, covering almost 3 octaves excellently. Also, it has the simple appearance but the quality construction and craftsmanship.
Number 5.
Trinity College AP 1230 Anglo-Style Concertina. The Trinity College AP 1250 Anglo-Style Concertina is another beautiful choice for its price and make. It isn't the perfect accordion as it has a few minor issues and improvements, but I commend its durability and how easy it is to play because of the comfortable feel.